Our intelligence indicates that she's going to be home in 2 hours. Your equipments are placed on the corridor.
This craft is an art. To achieve the best result, you must handle it with precision, good timing, and try not to leave a mess afterwards. Of course, the right tools in a compact package is deeply appreciated.
Good luck.
Cooking could be meditative, and cutting is essential in that experience. 4T7 provides me with the suitable friction, texture, and hardness. It significantly saves me time waiting for the meat to thaw to the right temperature. And it gets me a buttery cut-through on vegetables, fruits, and smooth, even grinds. While its app and waterproof digital scale allows me a precise control over each intake calculation, its timer keeps me aware of the cooking process when I work on other things. While I do this, I often feel as if I'm a priest in a ceremony, an artist in his creation. And that is the beauty of cookery. If you enjoy cooking, enjoy bringing surprises to life, you will enjoy 4T7. Mission accomplished.